It's me, Miss Riana, and here we are in math lesson again. So now we are at chapter 3, the order of operation. Please now open your class book, or sorry, in Math Champion it called textbook ya. Your textbook, please open it, page 56. We're going to learn about order of operation. Kalau dalam matematika sebenarnya kita sudah belajar operasi hitung bilangan ya, sama saja. First, if you want to do it, you have to work from left to right when there are only addition and subtraction. So if it's only addition and subtraction, work from left to right. Kerjakan dari kiri ke kanan. For example, this one. 96 minus 26 plus 48. Can I do this first, miss? No. Just do it from left to right, yeah? So you did this first. 96 minus 26 will be 70. And then you add it with 48, and it will be 118. Okay, next one. Work again from left to right when there's are only multiplication and division. Karena perkalian dan pembagian itu sama kuat ya. For example, 40 times 24 divide by 60. Do it from left to right. 40 times 24 first. 960 and divide by 60. It will become 16. Okay, and then working from left to right, carry out multiplication and division before addition and subtraction, seperti di pelajaran matematika. Kali bagi lebih kuat dibandingkan tambah dan kurang. For example, there were 26 more children than women at the park. The number of men was 4 times as many as the number of women. There were 56 men at the park. How many children were there? First, katanya ada 26 lebih banyak anak-anak dibandingkan perempuan. Lalu, jumlah laki-laki 4 kali lebih banyak dibandingkan perempuan. Berarti kita harus cari perempuannya dulu. Kalau jumlah laki-lakinya lebih banyak 4 kali dari perempuan, yang diketahuinya hanya laki-laki. Jadi laki-lakinya dibagi 4, karena kan yang perempuannya lebih sedikit, atau seperempatnya dari laki-laki. So, you will write 26 more. 26 ditambah, ini perempuannya. 56 divide by 4. Mana yang kalian kerjakan dulu kalau seperti ini? Tambah dan bagi. Bagi lebih kuat. So, it will be 26 plus 14. It will be 40. So, there were 40 children in the park. Okay, now, Sumin had 900 stamps. She arranged 25 stamps on each page of a stamp album. The album had 30 pages. How many stamps were there? Nah, dia bilang kan punya 900. Dia sudah pakai nih, sekian, 25. Dalam setiap halaman ada 30 halaman. So, you will write it 900 minus 25 times 30. Multiplication is stronger, so you will do this first. So it will be 900. Subtract with 750 becomes 150 stamp left yang belum dipasang ya di albumnya. Okay, and when there are brackets, carry out the operation in the bracket first. There are 670 boys and 530 girls in a school. Each class has 40 pupils. How many classes are there in the school? First, you have to add that all, boys and girls, tambahkan dulu. After that, you divide by 40. Karena kan katanya di setiap kelas ada 40 anak. Jadi ada berapa kelas semuanya? So, what will you have is 30. There are 30 classes in the school. Okay, now let's look at this, the example. An artist wants to make a picture using ceramic tiles mounted on a rectangular board measuring 25 cm by 30 cm. Okay, rectangular. Let's give it the rectangular, yeah? Maybe like this. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is 25. This is 30 over here. And then, what is the area of the board? Okay. And then, let's just do A first, yeah? The area is length times breadth. So, 25 times 30. This is 25, this is 30. So, 25 times 30 will be the 0, we cover it first. 25 times 3 will be 75. You put back the 0, becomes 750 centimeter square. So the area is this. Got it? 1, done. B, each tile costs 1,000 rupiah. How much will it cost to cover the board completely with 1 centimeter square tiles? Katanya, setiap 1 cm persegi harganya 1.000. Kita punya 750 cm persegi. So what should we do? Yes, we times it. So the area times the cost of the tile. So 750 times 1,000 rupiah. It will be 750,000 rupiah. So it will cost 750,000 rupiah to cover the board completely with the tiles. Nah, ini yang Miss Riana mau tekankan. Setiap kalian menjawab soal cerita, you have to write this. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kalian bisa tulis. Jadi jawabannya adalah, please write that. So I know which one is your answer. If in English, you can say, so the answer will be. Boleh seperti itu atau seperti ini. Kalau yang ditanya cost, kalian bilanglah, kalian tulis lagi. It will cost 750,000 rupiah to cover the board completely with the tiles. Boleh lengkap seperti ini. Tapi paling sederhana, your answer should be, so the answer is bla 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 bla. Jadi kita bisa tahu yang mana jawabannya. Ya, biasakan seperti itu di matematika, ataupun di pelajaran math. So you have to make sure that the one who will check your answer know which one is your answer. Okay, now Jamila buy a handphone. Ooh, we're at page 64 now, ya. Jamila buys a handphone and pays for it in installment. Kita install isinya, ya. Each installment is 150,000 rupiah. After paying 6 installments, she still has to pay another 550,000 rupiah. How much would she have to pay for each installment if she pays for the handphone in 10 installment? Okay, first, find the total amount paid in installment. Kita cari dulu berapa yang harus dia bayar. Katanya ada 6. 6 times 150,000. How to make it easier? I will times it 6 times 15. 6 times 15 will be 90. I'll put it here. I think it's too small, ya. 90. 6 times 15 is 90. How many 0 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will add 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for the 6th installment, Jamila has to pay 900,000 rupiah. Okay, next one. Find the cost of the handphone. Cost of the handphone is the total amount paid plus amount she still has to pay. It said after paying 6 installments, she still has to pay another 550,000. How much would she have to pay for each installment if she pays for the handphone in 10 installment? Okay. This one before is 900,000. Oh, it's too small, eh? Oh, kecil sekali. Oke, di sini saja ya. 900,000 rupiah plus 550,000 rupiah. So it will be, okay, I'll put it here. This is the answer. So it's the same like what we did here. Yeah. So she has to pay 1,050,000 rupiah. Okay. What operation must you carry out to find out how much she would have to pay for each of the 10 installment? She has to pay here. I don't think I have to write it again. Let's just copy it here. She has to pay this, right? 1,050,000 rupiah for 10 installments. So we will use division over here. Dibagi, how many? 10 installment. So for each installment, how should she pay? 1.050.000 dibagi 10. Oh, let's just remove 1 0. So it will be here 105,000 rupiah. So she would have to pay 105,000 rupiah for each of the installment. Jadi kalau dirata-ratakan, dia harus membayar 105.000 rupiah untuk setiap program yang di-install. Install tuh bahasa Indonesianya apa ya? I forgot. Okay, next. Again, Kelvin, Teddy, and Jim scored a total 4,670 point during a competition. Jadi 3 orang ini jumlah totalnya segini. Teddy scored 316 point less than Kelvin. Berarti Teddy lebih sedikit. Lebih sedikitnya ini 316. And then Teddy scored 3 times as many point as Jim. 1, 2, 3. Look, I will write here. 1, 2, 3. 3 times from Jim ya. So how many point did Teddy score? Nah, here, Teddy. First, subtract the 316 point from Kelvin score so that we will have the same number of point as Teddy. Yeah, so here, first, 4,670 minus 316. Let's count. 4.670 dikurang 316. Hasilnya akan menjadi 4,354. Nah, that is the total Kelvin, Teddy, and Jim. Now, let's cut this. This is the Teddy before 1, 2, 3 ya. Let's write it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, all the box are the same. So, become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 5, 6. Don't forget, Jim, 7. So, altogether, it will be 7 units now. Okay. This 7 unit is no longer 4,670 because you subtract it with this. So, it will become 4,354. Look. 7 unit will be 4,354, not 64, sorry, point. So, how many if 1 unit? Kalau 7 kotak, totalnya 4.354. Kalau hanya 1 kotak, berarti apa yang terjadi? Kita akan bagi. Karena asalnya kan di sini 7. Pengen jadi 1, berarti harus dibagi 7. Sebelah kanannya pun dibagi 7. So, 4,354 divided by 7, count. You will get 622. The question is Teddy. Teddy nih ya, pertanyaan Teddy. How many units that Teddy has? 1, 2, 3. For 3 units, you times it. 3 times 1 unit. It means 3 times 622 times 3. How much will you get? 1,866 points. So Teddy will score 1,866 points. Miss, how if the question is for Jim? Jim is only 1 unit, so you only times it with 1, it will be 622. What about Kelvin? Kelvin is 3 units, Miss. Remember, Kelvin is not only 3 units. You have to go back to the first. Kelvin will be 1, 2, 3 unit. You times it first with 622 and don't forget to add it with 316. Jadi siapapun yang nanti akan ditanya, mau tanya Kelvin, mau tanya Teddy, mau tanya Jim, mau tanya selisih Teddy dan Jim, ataupun mau tanya yang lain, you already know how. So in math, if you know how, it's easy. Okay?